Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both headsets and the test environment. First, connect the HyperX Cloud Alpha via 3.5mm or USB adapter, then pair the SteelSeries Arctis 7 wirelessly. Make sure firmware is current. Once done, set Windows or console audio to stereo and disable enhancements. This prevents EQ reshaping. Next, charge batteries to full and place headsets on your head for initial comfort checks. Finally, open the Equalizer app, HyperX Ingenuity or SteelSeries Engine, so you can make real-time adjustments while listening. Now you run focused listening and usage tests. Start with the same lossless track and compare bass tightness. Cloud Alpha tends to show separated bass with its dual-chamber drivers, while Arctis 7 emphasizes balanced highs and mids. Next, wear each for 30-60 minutes to judge clamp force and heat, make notes on pad comfort and weight distribution. Then test voice, record sample lines, and listen for noise floor, proximity effect, and clarity. Finally, verify wireless latency by gaming real-time and adjust chat/game mix if the dongle allows. Finish by weighing objective tests against your priorities. Choose HyperX Cloud Alpha if you want tighter bass separation and wired reliability, or pick SteelSeries Arctis 7 if wireless freedom, comfort, and features like chat mix matter more. Once chosen, update firmware, save your EQ preset, and register the product for warranty. If something goes wrong, start this troubleshooting tip. Reset the headset firmware, repair the wireless dongle, test a different USB port or the 3.5mm cable. This fixes most connection and audio routing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.